everyone, I'm Arjun and welcome back to my channel. Last year on Women's Day, I made tiled brownies and my sister and mother loved it. So this year I'm making fudgy brownie bites with a delicious ganache on top. And if you enjoy recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel. It helps out a ton. Let's go! So let's chop some chocolate first. We'll chop it uniformly that it melts properly with the butter. Now I'll add in the cubed butter. I'll microwave it for 1 minute, stopping every 10 seconds and stirring so that the chocolate doesn't seize. Now the butter and chocolate has melted completely. Now into this I'll add in the sugars. Castor sugar and brown sugar. Now I'll add in a creamy hung curd. Now I'll sift in our dry ingredients. Flour, cocoa powder and baking powder. And before I give the mix, I'll also add in some vanilla. Now I'll add the batter to my mini muffin tray. I have greased this nicely with butter and flour. Now I'll give it a tap. Now I'll pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. Hear that? It is done! I let it cool completely before I take it out of the tin. Now my brownies are all set and I'm going to frost them. Please let them settle and cool before you unmold them for 3 to 4 hours, or else they might just crack. Look how fudgy it is! Let's give it a try! This is is so fudgy and gooey, and the ganache adds much more flavor. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Happy Women's Day!